What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for all the love on the last one. We were so excited to put the car back together and I'm glad you guys enjoyed that video. So the only thing really missing on the car right now was the headlights, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on that today. But just in case you missed the last video, this is how the car is looking like right now. The fitment kind of sucks right now just because we haven't adjusted anything yet. The reason why is because we had the stocks on and then we refinished the emits and threw them on and went straight into painting, so nothing is adjusted yet. But for tonight we're just gonna go ahead and work on the headlights, throw them back on the car, have something done today, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is what the headlights are looking like right now. They're a little bit foggy and then there's a little bit of residue there. I think you can see it now, but it's just from when Blaine had the tint on top of these. So we're just gonna go ahead and clean everything up, just start sanding first and then gonna go ahead and polish them. I'm just gonna go ahead and start sanding. So I probably don't have all the sandpaper that I need, but I'm gonna just use what I have because it's late already. So I'm gonna start with a 220, then go to 400, then I have a 800, a 1500, and then a 2000. Done this before, just letting you guys know, so I don't know how it's gonna come out, but hopefully it turns out pretty good. This before, so I don't know if I'm supposed to use this one or if I'm supposed to use this one, but I think I'm gonna try this one first and see how it goes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this on top first. So these are what they're looking like right now. They're not the super cherriest of headlights out there, but they look a lot better than how they did before. I'm not too sure how to do this, so that's probably why they're not the best, but I think they look pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw them back on the car. So one more thing that I need to do tonight is paint the emblems for the fenders. So I just used some regular blue painter's tape and taped the whole thing, and then I used a knife just to cut all around in the crevices. So this is about 3 coats of paint laid down, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wait a couple minutes and then go ahead and start peeling all the tape off. So here's the first one done. So they're both done, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw them on the car real quick. Yeah. So now it's looking a little bit more complete. So if you guys didn't know, Blaine made this fender vent himself. There is videos on top of the channel on it if you guys want to watch it. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.